What? Maisie! Maisie! You're good boy. Nice. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What are you doing, huh? Oh, thank you. Left a nice wet spot on my knee. Oh, then again, yep. It's like, yep, I'm just going to wipe my face on you. You're all right, Fox. You're all right. I got you, honey. Oh, jeez. Hi, Bailey. You okay? Hi. Hi, Doodle. Yes, Doodle. No, Violet. No, Violet. No, you be a good girl. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hello. Yes, hello. Oh, what a sweetheart. So you just want to snuggle. What were you just doing? Huh? You were just rolling around at my feet. Bailey really likes Doodle. Oh goodness. Doodle. Doodle. Don't do that. You don't encourage it either. Yeah. I love Brutus. Oh goodness. Oh, you're so handsome. Bye, Oscar. Hello, Finn. Hello. Hello. You gonna come up, boss? You gonna come up, Oscar? Hi, Bailey. Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Good boy, Oscar. Oh, it's Maisie. Hey. Maisie and Finn. Come on. On his tail. Hi. I see you, Doodle. I'll just sit here patiently. I know. Hey. He's like, yay!
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Hello. Hello, Brutus. Oh, kisses. Thank you. Thank you. Now, don't eat the camera. Oh, you slobbered all over it. Ew. Here. Hey. Hello. Oh, jeez. Gizmo's looking like Woo!
Chalupa. Chalupa. Chalupa loops. Chalupa loops. Good us.
Come on, you can jump. I know you can. Hi, Bailey. All right. You can get up here. Come on. Whoop. Oh, there we go. Hello, Chalupa.
I got you. Hello. It's okay. Don't worry.
Yeah, his owner told me about that. It's okay. Yeah. He decided to help.
Aww.
Yeah.
Were you helping, Pig?
Yeah, it was the first thing she told me. He said, by the way, he has a red tail. Okay. Being good, Chupa? Hi, big boy. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I love kisses. I love kisses. You're just snuggling, huh? You just being a snuggle bug?
Oscar magic.
Yeah. Oh, Chupa.
Magic strap clean Oscar's ears.
Yeah, so he's in love with Oscar today. Oh, Chalupa, he's being such a good boy.
Yeah, such a small little stubble.
Oh,
Little stubble.
oh, it's like, oh yes. Whoop, 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 don't fall, Fox.
I love Psyche.
Oh, goodness.